If reading research papers feels like trying to decode another language, this AI tool might save you hours of frustration in 2026. SciSpace has become one of the most popular AI research assistants online, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use SciSpace step by step to read, understand, and summarize research papers faster using AI. SciSpace is basically a platform designed to help students, researchers, and professionals understand academic papers without getting overwhelmed by technical language and complicated studies. When you first open the website, the interface is actually very clean and beginner-friendly. You can either search for research papers directly inside the platform or upload your own PDF documents from your computer. One of the biggest features that makes SciSpace stand out is called Chat with PDF. This lets you upload a research paper and ask questions about it like you're talking to ChatGPT. For example, you can ask the AI to explain the paper in simple language, summarize the main findings, define difficult terms, or even explain charts and equations. This is incredibly useful for students who struggle with academic writing or anyone trying to understand complex topics quickly. To start using it, you simply upload a PDF, wait a few seconds for the AI to process the document, and then use the chat box on the side to ask questions. The AI usually responds with answers connected directly to the paper itself, which makes the experience feel much more focused than using a normal chatbot. Another really useful feature is the literature review tool. Normally, literature reviews can take days or even weeks because you have to compare multiple studies manually, but SciSpace can automatically search related papers, organize information, summarize findings, and help you discover research gaps much faster. You can also save papers into collections, highlight important sections, generate citations, and track sources in one place. In 2026, SciSpace has also improved its AI workflow tools and deep review system, which helps automate larger research tasks for academic projects. Now, let's talk honestly about the pros and cons based on real user feedback online. Most users love how much time SciSpace saves during research because instead of reading entire papers line by line, they can quickly understand the key ideas first. Many reviews also praise the simple interface and how helpful the AI explanations are for difficult scientific topics. But there are definitely some downsides too. One of the biggest complaints online involves the credit system because some advanced AI features consume credits quickly, especially during long research sessions. Some users also mentioned that the subscription pricing can feel expensive for students. Another important thing to know is that AI-generated summaries and citations are not always perfect. Several researchers online warn that you should always verify important information manually instead of trusting AI completely, especially for technical or specialized research. So, is SciSpace actually worth using in 2026? Honestly, if you regularly read research papers, write literature reviews, or struggle with academic language, this tool can save you a huge amount of time and make research far less stressful. It's not a magic replacement for real studying or critical thinking, but it's definitely one of the strongest AI research assistants available right now. If you want faster research, easier paper summaries, and a simpler way to understand academic studies, SciSpace is absolutely worth trying. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below telling me which AI tool you want me to review next.